Hi everyone, my name is Virazar Siddharth. Today date is 20 June 2022. Today's topic is operators in Java. Operators in Java is a symbol that's used to perform the operation uh, plus, minus, multiplication, divide. There are many types of operators in Java which are given below. A unary operator, arithmetic operator, shift operator, relational operator, and bitwise operator, and logical operator, ternary operator, and ternary operator, and in which method of the Java operators, in which assignment operators and Java operator precedence. The Java unary operators requires only one operand. Unary operators are used to perform various operations, that is incrementing and decrementing a value by one negative and expression, and inverting of the subtraction multiplication of Java arithmetic operators are used to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. They act as basic mathematical operations. The Java left shift operator is used to shift all of the bits value of the left side to specified number of times. Java right shift operators. The Java right shift operators is used to the move of the value of the left operand to right by the number of bytes as specified by the right operands. Java and operators example, uh, and bitwise. The logical operators does not check the second condition, and if logical operators false, that it checks the second condition only if the first one is true. And the bitwise operators always checks the both conditions whether first condition is true or false. Java operators example, logical or and bitwise first semicolon. In the logical operator does not check the second condition, and if the first condition is true, it checks the second condition is only if the first one is false. The bitwise operators always checks the both condition whether first condition is true or false. Java ternary operator, that's operator in Java is a symbols that used to perform operators, and in which to the below operators, in which two relational operator, assignment operator, and next one is unary operators used to perform various operations, that is incrementing and decrementing the values of by one, and y value of the negative expression, basic mathematical operation. The Java left shift operator is used to shift all the bits and values of the left side specified number of Java right shift operator. The Java right shift operator is used to move the values of the and uh, Java and operators of the logical and bitwise of the logical operators does not check the condition of the first condition is false and always checks the both condition, and bitwise condition is the true, and the condition is first condition true and checks the second condition if only if the is false. The bitwise operators is always checks the condition whether the first condition is true or false. And ternary operators, Java assignment operators is one of the most common operators. It is used to the assign the values of its right and the operand its left. And the logical bitwise, the logical operator does not check the second condition if the first condition is true and checks the condition only if the first one is false. And the bitwise operators is always checks the both condition whether first is condition true or false, and if then else statement is used to the Java programming language. Only condition operator takes three operands. Java assignment operators, and Java assignment operators is one of the most common operators. It is used to assign the value on its right to the operand on its left. And logical and bitwise, the logical operator does not check the second condition, and in which the first condition is true, it checks the condition only if the first one is false. The bitwise operator is always checks the both condition, when whether the first condition is true or false, and then assignment operators. Thank you.